Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and hit that notification bell as well so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. In today's look, I am doing this eyeshadow tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's get into this video. To start off, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the EYESHADOW Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And I am using my flat concealer brush to blend it all out. Then I'm using the Beauty Treats Colormania eyeshadow palette, and I am using that bright green shadow, applying it onto my eyelid using a round fluffy brush. As you can see, the motion I'm using there is sort of stamping it in and taking it a bit as I go, basically, so building it up, and I am just stamping it to blend it. For this specific eyeshadow look, I want you to pay attention to my application when it comes to the end of the eye. So basically the outer corner of the eye. When I get towards that area, I take a little dip right before reaching the end of the eyebrow, and then I bring it back up and past the eyebrow, creating that sort of swooped wavy effect. And just to be extra with it, I'm actually pulling the eyeshadow upwards beyond the eyelash. Sorry, the eyebrow. So I'm pulling it up and beyond, and I'm blending it out. I'm not putting too much of the pigment there. I'm sort of bringing it up her by just blending it out, as you can see. With my flat brush, I am taking that yellow shade and I am blending out the edges right there, the upper edges of that green eyeshadow. So as you can see, I'm going along the edge of the green eyeshadow, the upper edge. Then I'm going back into my EYESHADOW Pro Concealer and taking my flat brush, and I'm going to draw a liner shape. So I'm basically going to draw an eyeliner, a winged liner, using my concealer. Now with my flat brush again, I'm taking that dark green pigment and I'm going over my concealer with it. So basically I'm creating that dark green eyeliner. Just stamping over my concealer with it, and that's basically how I'm creating this winged liner that's a dark green in color. If you've seen my autumn inspired look that I recently did, then you'll know that I've done winged liner using concealer and eyeshadow before in that video, but if you'd be interested to see it, I'll link it up in the cards. Now I'm creating this leaf-like shape with eyeshadow, so I'm using concealer to draw out the strokes that you usually see on your leaf, so the leafy pattern. And then I'm going in with this shimmery bright light lime green, shadow from Juvias Place, the Zulu eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking my flat brush and I'm basically applying the pigment right on top of that concealer to adhere to it. And I'm giving it that lovely leafy shape, and that's the shape. There you have it. There you see it, you guys. Now for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Then for lashes, I am using Eyelash Boutique lashes. And I felt like I needed to add a few beauty spots for this look. So I'm using this Essence waterproof eyeliner to create those beauty spots. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, as well as subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video.